Okay, a little update on the go-kart project. I know it's been like a month. I guess this would be part 5 if we're still keeping count. I added a little like bumper, so I had a place to mount my um, engine mounts. Um, it's actually I've been copying the Viper STX planes that I bought like a long time ago. Um, I don't know, I just kind of like it. Have the new engine. Just lined it up, and then I can put the seat, like as far back as I can once I get the engine in place. So that's about where I'm at. Um, it is kind of narrow, but I kind of like that. Makes it easy to get on and off. And the extended front end thing's kind of cool because, then the wheelbase is shorter, so it turns better instead of like a crazy long wheelbase. Well, you've seen I've done other ones like it, but I try to make each one a little different. So that's all I really have right now. I don't think I'm going to do the seat today. Well, I might do the floorboard today, but I still want to make a video in case this is where I stop today. And again, thanks for watching.